It's important to regularly clean your tool, and we're going to show you how. Firstly, always remove the battery before cleaning the tool. The rear cap instantly twists and comes off. You can see the filter there, should be nice and clean, no holes in it. Then take the Allen key provided in the toolbox and remove these 4 bolts. Once you've removed all 4 bolts, the rear cap should easily remove, exposing the inside of the tool. From here, you can see the electronics on the tool. This should all lift out, exposing the fan. Using the SPIT Pulsa cleaning kit, lubricate the inside of the chamber, as well as the O-rings by the fan. Repeat the process to put the tool back together. Ensure all 4 bolts are reinstalled before putting the rear cap back on. And then lastly, reinstall the battery. Tool ready to go.